In this video, we're talking all about cracked structural beams, what they mean for your home's safety, how to spot them early, and what you should do to fix the problem before it gets worse. So, if you've ever noticed weird cracks or sagging in your walls or ceilings, this one's for you. Alright, first off, if you find a cracked structural beam, don't just ignore it hoping it'll go away because that's a bad move. You want to check if the crack is wide or growing over time. Those are big red flags. Sometimes small surface cracks can be normal, but deep or spreading cracks usually mean the beam's under serious stress. Make sure you look for any signs of water damage around the beam too, since moisture can weaken wood or rust metal beams and make cracks worse. If you're handy, grab a flashlight and a measuring tape to track any changes weekly. This helps you know if the damage is escalating. Also, keep an eye on nearby walls and floors for unevenness or new cracks, since the beam supports a lot of weight and problems tend to spread. Once you've done this quick check, it's super important to call a pro, like a structural engineer or a trusted contractor, who can properly assess the damage and suggest the best fix. Don't try to DIY a fix on structural stuff unless you're totally sure what you're doing, because a bad patch job could lead to way bigger issues and safety risks. One of the biggest mistakes people make with cracked structural beams is waiting too long to get them inspected, thinking it's just cosmetic damage, which can lead to dangerous structural failures down the line. Another common issue is using temporary fixes, like just slapping on some filler or paint to cover cracks without addressing underlying problems. It's like putting a band-aid on a broken bone. Lastly, not checking for related problems like water leaks or termite damage can cause the whole repair project to fail, since those issues keep weakening the beam even after it's patched up. The simple fix? Stay proactive, call in an expert early, and make sure the root cause of the crack is handled properly. BigHomeProjects.com is pretty cool because it connects homeowners like you with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff when it comes to structural repairs. Plus, if you're a contractor looking to find solid work in your area, they help you get matched with folks who need your skills, saving time and hassle on both sides.